Okay, so probably you told your friend that you can play Roblox, but you want to play Roblox. Well, I have a solution for you to make you appear like offline. So it's very simple. The first thing you have to do is to make sure that you are logged in your Roblox account, and then you have to go to settings here, press it, and then you have to go to privacy. Okay, perfect. So, what do we have to do? We have to go to other settings, and we can press here who can join me in experiences. No one. Update friends about my activity. No. Who can see my inventory? Doesn't matter. Then you have to go up here. If you want to fully block all communications to people don't find you, you press hidden communications and press off. Okay, so if this video was useful for you and helped to make look offline, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and press the bell in the subscription button. So, goodbye and easy way.